Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about tail letters. So I've done some example of some tail letters here, and I'm just going to take you through them, which is what I'd like you to do on your handwriting sheets sometime this week. So here we have the letter G. If you look at the cat, the blue is the head, in the yellow is the body, and the tail is the green. So the G is actually a body and a tail letter. So you start here near the sort of body. You go round and around and up and then right down the tail with the little flick. That is your letter G that I have done, I think, about 10 times to show you, with a bit of a finger space in between. And next letter is the letter J, the lowercase j. You start again at the body, you go down to the tail and flick, lift your pencil off and put a dot. So we start at the body, go down to the tail, flick, take your pencil off and put a dot. That's the lowercase letter J. Then we've got the letter P. Starting again at the body, you're making a stick now, so you're going down to the tail. Do not lift your pencil off. Go back up and around and down and flick. Okay, we're making a stick starting at the body. We go down to the tail. Don't take your pencil off. Back up. Then you go around, down and flick. So see if you can practice those P's there. Then we've got the letter Q. The letter Q looks a little bit like an A up the top here, and then it goes down here. It looks a bit like an A, and then a bit like an L together. So you make the circle first, around and around, down to the tail, and flick. Make the circle first, around and around, down to the tail, and flick. So that's your letter Q. Nearly there. Now we've got Y. So Y is a little bit like a U. This bit here is like a U. Then we go down to the tail and flick. So we go down, up, down, and flick. So that's a Y. A lot of you are not getting this bit right down to the tail. It's very important. The Z, if you look at the Z closely, it looks like a 3, but we've written it in the wrong spot. So the Z starts at the body, and it goes around and down, a bit like a 7, I guess, and then around, down to the tail, and flick. But if you look at the Z as a whole, it does look a little bit like the number 3. We're going to leave the T because the T and the F's, oh, hello, what have I done here? Did I get a bit muddled up here? Sometimes that happens, doesn't it? We leave that T and the F till another day because those two letters are special letters. We have to do them differently. So have a go today at these letters, the G, the J, the P, the Q, the Y, and the Z. Go slow, be very aware of head and body and tail, and see how you go.